What's up guys, this is Unknown from Notion Hub, and in this video, I'm going to show you the most important tips and tricks of Samsung Galaxy A03 Core. By the way, we'll also be making best features video where we'll be covering all the features of this phone. So do check it out, link will be in the description. That being said, first we have full screen gestures. Once you enable this, you can swipe up to go home, swipe up and hold for recent apps, swipe from left or right to go back. You can swipe up diagonally from bottom left or right corner for Google Assistant. You can also swipe on the bottom to switch between apps. Next we have split screen mode. This is how you can enable split screen mode. Go to recent apps page, tap on app icon and then select split screen. This will open the current app in split screen. And from the bottom you can select another app. Now this is how you can enable pop-up view. Go to recent apps page, tap on app icon and select pop-up view. And the app will open in small window. Now you can resize the app, select its transparency, minimize it to a bubble, maximize it, and you can also close it. Next, we can enable split screen for all apps. There are some applications that still do not support split screen mode. So to fix that, you can go to settings and then select about phone and go to software information. Now click on the build number few times. Once you do that, developer options will be enabled. Now if you go back to settings, you can find developer options. Select that and scroll all the way to the bottom and enable force activities to be resizable and then restart your phone. Now you will be able to use all applications in split screen mode. Next we have screenshot. As with most phones, you can take the regular screenshot with the buttons. Just press the volume down and power button at the same time to take a screenshot. This works everywhere. Next we have long screenshot. Once you enable toggle screenshot toolbar, whenever you take a screenshot either with palm swipe gesture or with the buttons, you get additional options on the bottom of the screen. Just tap on this and it will start taking long screenshot. It will scroll once and pause, so you can tap again and again till you get the desired long screenshot. Next we have maximum power saving mode. If you have critically low battery, you can turn this on and it limits the CPU usage, enables dark mode and does everything to reduce battery consumption. Now you can use the phone for very long time. You can't do much in this mode, but you can add more apps here and you can also use internet. Next we have auto call recording. Once you enable this mode, all the calls will be automatically recorded on your phone. You can also select if you want to record all numbers or unsaved numbers or selected numbers. Next we have default apps. This is default apps page. From here you can select your default browser, default phone dialer, default home screen, that's the default launcher, and so on. Next, we can show battery percentage. Once you enable this toggle, it displays the battery percentage on the status bar. Next, we can display brightness control all the time. Now this is your brightness slider. You can also put this brightness slider on top here and you can do that from here. Select quick panel layout and enable show brightness on top. Now you can access the brightness slider on top. Next, we can change flashlight intensity. From notification panel, tap on the name of flashlight icon. Now you can get this bar to change the brightness. When flashlight is on, you can move this bar for desired brightness of the flash. Next, we have quick settings. In notification panel, you can access quick settings for all these toggles. You can change sound profiles, change flashlight intensity, change blue light intensity, change auto rotate options, change Bluetooth options, and change Wi-Fi network directly from the notification toggles. Next we have home screen gestures. Now these are for notification bar. When you swipe down using a single finger on the status bar, you get the quick notification toggles and then notifications. Now if you do the same thing with two fingers, you directly go to the notification toggle area. Next we also have some tweaks for home screen. You can swipe up and down and it shows your app drawer by default. And you can change swipe down gesture to notification. Now when you swipe down on home screen, it will bring down the notification panel. We can also hide apps. Next, we can disable wallpaper service. Once you disable this wallpaper service option, the lock screen wallpapers no longer change and a single wallpaper will be fixed. Next we have swipe to call or send message. Once you enable this, in your phone dialer or contacts, you can swipe right on the contact to call them or swipe left on the contact to message them. This is the quick and easy way to take those actions. So guys, these are the most important tips and tricks for your Samsung phone. If I missed out on anything important, do let me know by commenting below this video. And if you're planning to buy this phone, use the link in the description. It always helps the channel. If you want us to make any specific video, tweet out to us with hashtag AskGreeTech on Twitter, and we'll try to make it as soon as possible. I'm Unknown from Notion Hub. Meet you in the next one.